Is gold prospecting a good side hustle for me? Gold prospecting is an exciting and potentially lucrative side hustle that has captivated adventurers and treasure hunters for centuries. At its core, gold prospecting involves searching for gold in its natural state, often in rivers, streams, or on land. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can embark on this thrilling journey, making it an appealing option for those looking to supplement their income or simply enjoy the great outdoors. In this video, we'll dive into the ins and outs of gold prospecting, exploring why it has become a popular hobby for many. The thrill of discovering gold nuggets or flakes can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and emotionally. Plus, it offers a unique blend of adventure, skill, and patience, making it a fulfilling pursuit for those who enjoy hands-on activities. However, like any side hustle, gold prospecting comes with its own set of risks and challenges. From the initial investment in equipment to the unpredictability of finding gold, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against these factors. Join us as we explore the world of gold prospecting and help you decide if this is the right side hustle for you. Understanding gold prospecting. Gold prospecting is the practice of searching for gold in its natural environment, often in rivers, streams, or on land. Historically, it has played a significant role in shaping economies and communities, particularly during gold rushes in the 19th century, when thousands flocked to areas like California and Alaska in hopes of striking it rich. This age-old pursuit continues to attract enthusiasts today, blending history with adventure. To get started in gold prospecting, various tools and techniques are essential. Basic equipment includes a gold pan, which is used to separate gold from sediment, and a metal detector, which can help locate buried nuggets. More advanced prospectors may use sluice boxes or high bankers to increase their chances of finding gold. Techniques such as panning, dredging, and dry washing are commonly employed, each suited to different environments and conditions. Gold prospecting can be pursued in a variety of locations, including riverbeds, old mining sites, and mountainous regions known for gold deposits. National parks and public lands often have designated areas for prospecting, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned prospectors. Whether you're in the heart of the Sierra Nevada or exploring a local creek, the thrill of the hunt is always just around the corner. Initial investment and costs. Starting your journey in gold prospecting requires a financial commitment, primarily for equipment and permits. The initial investment can vary widely depending on the tools you choose. A basic gold panning kit, which includes a pan, classifier, and snuffer bottle, can cost around $50 to $100. If you opt for more advanced equipment like a metal detector or a sluice box, your costs can rise to several $100s or more. Additionally, some locations may require permits or fees, which can range from $10 to several $100s, depending on the area and regulations. Ongoing costs are another important consideration. Travel expenses to prospecting sites, especially if they are remote, can add up quickly. Fuel, food, and lodging should be factored into your budget. Maintenance of your equipment is also essential, as wear and tear can lead to additional costs. Supplies like bags for storing your finds and tools for cleaning and processing gold will also contribute to your ongoing expenses. When comparing these costs to potential earnings, it's crucial to remember that gold prospecting can be unpredictable. While some prospectors have struck it rich, many find only small amounts of gold, making it essential to approach this hobby with realistic expectations regarding financial returns. Time commitment. When it comes to successful gold prospecting, the time you dedicate can significantly impact your results. Realistically, beginners should aim to spend at least a few hours each week prospecting to develop their skills and understand the nuances of the activity. Many enthusiasts find that dedicating a full day on weekends or during holidays allows them to immerse themselves in the experience, increasing their chances of finding gold. Seasonal factors also play a crucial role in gold prospecting opportunities. Spring and summer are typically the best times to prospect, as rivers and streams are more accessible, and the weather is generally favorable. In contrast, winter can pose challenges, with cold temperatures and snow making it difficult to reach certain locations. Understanding these seasonal patterns can help you plan your outings more effectively. For those with busy lifestyles, fitting gold prospecting into your schedule may require some creativity. Short, local trips after work or on weekends can be a great way to enjoy the hobby without overwhelming your calendar. By setting realistic expectations and planning around seasonal conditions, you can find a balance that allows you to enjoy gold prospecting while managing your other commitments. Legal considerations. Understanding the legal aspects of gold prospecting is crucial for anyone looking to embark on this exciting hobby. Each region has its own set of laws and regulations governing prospecting activities, and being informed about these rules can save you from potential legal troubles. Local laws may dictate where you can prospect, the methods you can use, and the types of equipment allowed. Familiarizing yourself with these regulations ensures that you stay compliant and respect the environment. In many areas, obtaining permits is necessary before you can begin prospecting. These permits may be required for specific locations, especially in national parks or protected lands. Additionally, understanding land access rights is essential. Prospecting on private property without permission can lead to serious legal consequences. Always seek permission from landowners and check for any restrictions that may apply. Engaging in illegal prospecting activities can result in hefty fines, confiscation of equipment, and even criminal charges. The repercussions can be severe, impacting not only your ability to continue prospecting but also your reputation within the community. By prioritizing legal considerations and adhering to local regulations, you can enjoy gold prospecting responsibly and sustainably while minimizing risks. Potential earnings. The financial potential of gold prospecting can be quite enticing, with some individuals striking it rich and earning substantial amounts. For instance, there are stories of prospectors who have found gold nuggets worth thousands of dollars, such as the famous Welcome Stranger nugget discovered in Australia, which weighed over 200 ounces and was valued at around $3 million at the time. However, such extraordinary finds are rare and often the result of years of experience and dedication. Several factors influence how much gold can be found, including location, technique, and the amount of time spent prospecting. Areas with a rich history of gold mining, such as California or Alaska, tend to yield better results. Additionally, using advanced equipment and employing effective techniques can significantly increase your chances of success. Weather conditions and seasonal changes can also impact gold availability in certain regions. While the allure of high earnings is strong, it's essential to maintain realistic expectations regarding income from prospecting. Many prospectors find only small amounts of gold, which may not cover their expenses. Approaching gold prospecting as a rewarding hobby rather than a guaranteed source of income can lead to a more enjoyable experience and a healthier perspective on potential earnings. Risks and challenges. Gold prospecting, while thrilling, comes with its share of risks and challenges that every aspiring prospector should consider. Physically, the activity can be demanding, often requiring long hours of hiking, bending, and lifting heavy equipment. Injuries such as sprains, strains, or even more serious accidents can occur, especially in rugged terrains or near water bodies. Additionally, environmental hazards like extreme weather, wildlife encounters, and unstable ground can pose significant risks, making it essential to be prepared and aware of your surroundings. Beyond physical risks, there are emotional and financial challenges to consider. The excitement of prospecting can lead to disappointment, as many prospectors spend hours or even days without finding any gold. This emotional rollercoaster can be discouraging, especially for those who invest significant time and money into the hobby. Financially, the costs of equipment, travel, and permits can add up quickly, and the potential for low returns on investment can create stress. It's crucial for viewers to weigh these risks against the potential rewards of gold prospecting. While the thrill of discovery can be exhilarating, understanding the challenges involved can help you approach this hobby with a balanced perspective, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable experience. In summary, gold prospecting presents an exciting opportunity for those looking to explore a unique side hustle. We've discussed the essentials of getting started, including the initial investment in equipment and permits, the time commitment required, and the legal considerations that come into play. The potential earnings can be enticing, but it's important to maintain realistic expectations and be aware of the risks and challenges involved, from physical hazards to emotional ups and downs. As you consider whether gold prospecting aligns with your interests and capabilities, think about what you hope to gain from this experience. Whether it's the thrill of adventure, the joy of being outdoors, or the possibility of striking gold, this hobby can be incredibly rewarding. Happy prospecting!